Understanding string maintenance, a guide to keeping your skills sharp. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase you might have come across, string maintenance. At first glance, this term may seem like it belongs in a music class rather than an English learning session. However, it's a powerful metaphor for a crucial concept in both language learning and personal development. Let's unpack what string maintenance means and why it's essential for continuous growth and skill enhancement. The term, string maintenance, originates from the world of musical instruments, where strings need regular tuning to produce the correct sound. In a broader sense, it refers to the ongoing process of taking care of something to ensure it remains in good condition. When we apply this concept to language learning or any skill, it symbolizes the importance of regular practice, review, and refinement to maintain and improve our abilities. Just like a musical instrument goes out of tune without regular attention, our skills and knowledge can deteriorate if we don't engage in consistent practice. Regular practice helps reinforce learning, strengthen memory recall, and keep our skills sharp. It's not just about repetition. It's about engaging with the material in diverse and challenging ways to deepen understanding and proficiency. To effectively maintain your English language skills, or any skill, consider these strategies. Set a regular practice schedule. Consistency is key. Even short daily sessions are more effective than long, irregular ones. Diversify your learning materials. Use books, videos, podcasts, and conversations to engage with the language in various contexts. Seek feedback. Regularly get feedback from teachers, peers, or language exchange partners to identify areas for improvement. Challenge yourself. Step out of your comfort zone by trying more complex materials or conversational topics. The concept of string maintenance is not limited to learning English. It's applicable to virtually any skill. Whether you're learning to code, play an instrument, or even maintain physical fitness, the principle remains the same. Regular, mindful practice and refinement are essential for growth and mastery. In conclusion, string maintenance is a vivid metaphor reminding us of the importance of consistent care and attention in skill development. Whether you're polishing your English, picking up a new hobby, or advancing your professional skills, remember that regular, dedicated practice is the key to success. We hope this video has illuminated the concept of string maintenance and inspired you to incorporate it into your learning journey. Keep tuning those strings, and see how much more beautiful the music of your efforts can become. Thank you for watching, and happy learning!